In the enzyme substrate complex, the enzyme in pink has an open active site, which the substrate in blue bonds to. This produces a product. In competitive inhibition, the enzyme has an open active site. The competitive inhibitor in yellow bonds to the active site. When the substrate tries to bond to the active site, it is unable to because of the competitive inhibitor. It then goes and looks for another enzyme to bond to. In non-competitive inhibition, the enzyme has an open active site and an open non-competitive inhibitor site. When the non-competitive inhibitor bonds to this site, the open active site closes and does not allow the substrate to bond. In allosteric regulation, the enzyme has an allosteric site and a partially closed active site. An allosteric activator bonds to the allosteric site and opens up the partially closed active site, allowing a substrate to bond with the enzyme. In feedback inhibition, the enzyme with the open site bonds with the substrate. The substrate is broken down, and the product becomes the inhibitor, which then bonds to the enzyme again and then closes the open active site. A change in temperature or pH can cause an enzyme to denature. This means that its open active site will close and no longer be able to bond with the substrate.